So you're at the stage where you're ready to grout your bathroom. And that's the same for me here with these large white marble effect tiles. To keep with this clean look, the customer wants a white grout. The issue is it won't stay white for very long with cementous grout. Like you can see here in the customer's other bathroom, which I think is only about a year old. The soap and grime has absolutely annihilated the white grout over time. It doesn't look very pretty, and I don't want the bathroom I'm doing looking like that. So I'm going to show you how you can quickly and easily stop that happening even with white grout like this, which is always the most extreme example. And I'll do that with this simple sealer spray. Let's jump into it. Firstly, grout your tiles as normal. I'm using a Kerakoll No1 white here, which is a flexible rapid grout, but you can use whatever your go-to grout is. Once your grout's touch dry and ready to clean, wash it off and give it at least 2 washes. Your first dirty wash followed by a clean wash once it's dry. You want to remove most of the residue, but whatever you do, don't overwash the grout. Now with this particular product, you can apply it after 30 minutes of the grout drying, but I like to leave it a day and give the bathroom a good polish with a cloth. Especially with polished tiles, you want to remove all that grout dust. Then you're ready to seal. So this is LTP's Grout and Tile Protector. As with any can, give it a good shake and make sure you've got good ventilation. Like with any sealers, it's quite potent. Then simply holding from about 15 centimeters, just spray over your grout joints in a sweeping motion. The beauty with this is the overspray dries invisible, so you don't need to be too concerned here. Also, don't be worried about the grout discolouring, it will dry up clear as I'll show you in a second. You can also spray the whole tile if you wanted to for extra protection. For natural stone, you may just want to seal it with a liquid sealer first, but it's always good to do a test first if you're unsure. The sealer is touch dry after about 5 minutes, and with a high glaze tile like this, you want to buff them inside that window, just as they're more likely to show residue marks. But these can all be removed easily enough with a remover if you had any issues with that later on. For most tiles, you'll be absolutely fine. And that's it, all done. That process literally takes about 5 minutes, and you can see the grout dries back to its default colour. And this bathroom will now have protection from dirt and staining to keep it looking like this into the future. Obviously epoxy grouts have this effect anyway, but this is a really fast, easy way to protect cementous grout, especially with white grout joints in your bathrooms. And if you're regrouting a bathroom, this is a good way to save you going through that pain again in the future. And if you want to see the effects of sealed versus unsealed grout, then watch this video right here. Take care guys, and I'll catch you in the next one.